This week on Life on Jupiter, we travel from New Orleans to Houston. Oh, and it turns out to be the worst travel day we've had so far. I thought it started out bad. Wait until you see the end. Jeez.
I just don't think we can get under. Really this up. We took the wrong turn. I took the wrong turn. We're on a side road now. It wants us to go under the overpass, which is way low. There's no heights. This is all really low power lines and
how about the other side? There's another one.
It did look higher up there, but then there's a crashed car up there. You know? Nah. This is
really low.
Really low.
Oh, but the other side there is most higher. This is low. The other side.
High, yeah. Alright, let's have a look at it. It does look high.
Okay.
I'm going to get up the ladder and have a look so I can eyeball it. I'll get an idea.
Ah, scary thing. Oh my god. Here we go. Okay. Looks okay. Wait. Yeah.
That's a big hole.
Ah! Oh no! Go back. Can you check if there's a hole? Holy shit. I didn't see that bag, sorry. So sweet. Yeah. No cars. Okay, straighten up first. Babe. Oh my god, looks close. Holy sh**. Oh my god. Where are we now?
This car is too big. I mean, this trailer's too big. This is ridiculous.
You okay, Oakley? Sorry.
Oh, that was so close that hole. I only just saw it. We would have been stuck. It would have been tow truck job.
Yeah.
Well, that was this close to disaster, man. I nearly went down a big hole in the side of the road, and it would have been a tow truck job. Why are we going up in the sky? Oh yeah, it's good. It's fine.
Oh, they're in the highway. Yay!
Finally headed the right direction. Don't waste an hour trying to leave somewhere.
What an experience.
This is the thing, when shit goes down, there's no time to grab cameras. We need all hands on deck. So I took the wrong turn. I saw the I-10, which is what we want, but it ended up being east, not west. And then in order to turn around or do a U-turn, it wanted me to go under the underpass, which was so low. And there was no height signs. So I just kept going alongside and then ended up in a residential area with low power lines and low branches and the sign saying no truck route. So I had to back up into a cross street and there was cars everywhere, and luckily there was one of the guys was home and he was watching and he moved his truck for me, which was great. We thought we were going to hit the power line. Princess had to go up the ladder and double check, and it was about a, you know, reasonable, so that was fine. But
Almost.
and then we get out of that, so now I'm going the other way down the like skinny road, and we're committed to going under this underpass. So I jumped up the ladder and had a look, and it looked like height-wise we were gonna just make it, but then the roads were so small and skinny, and I had to do a really wide turn. There was a car coming at me. She stopped, but I still couldn't go wide enough. And then the trailer wheels cut the corner, nearly hit the stop sign, and nearly went down a ditch.
I didn't see that one.
Thankfully, I saw it and stopped and had to back it up. And then the lady in front cleared, and then I could take a wider swing at it, and we got around. But wow, embarrassing, eh?
Yeah.
But we did really good. I'm really proud of you, Mummy, because
I'm proud of you, babe.
it actually went the best it could have. Nothing damaged.
Yeah.
And even the cowboy, he said, wow, you did a great job backing up. And he had a dually as well, so I guess he knows about trailers. Oh, God, I need a beer though. I don't want to drive 6 hours. I need a beer now.
And also the weather makes it more dramatic.
Come on, Louisiana, put some signs on your bridges.
Yesterday we got a long traffic. It's just everything goes wrong.
The roads are not good here. Bumpy as fuck. And look at the traffic. I'm not shitting on New Orleans. We had like 2 hours experience, really. So I'm sure there's some good spots, but it's a bit down and dirty. But I think that's probably the appeal, you know. Where I'm not sure how safe it is. We'll give it another shot one day.
Yeah.
But for now, we're on our way to Houston. The expansion joints in this bridge is... My titties are wobbling.
You see?
Check this bridge.
Is that an opening bridge or something?
Yeah.
Wow.
So
It's scary.
steep, like a theme park
Yeah.
slide.
So we're not yet in Houston.
No,
No.
another 150
Oh,
miles.
we're in the bridge.
Well, we've struck American traffic again. Houston this time. We only have 60 miles to go, but Google is saying it's going to be 2 hours to get there because of this traffic, peak hour traffic. So it will be 7 p.m. It's going to be pitch black. I don't even know if they close the state park at nighttime. I don't know. Can you try Google that up? See, find the hours.
I tried. It says it's closed at 4.
4?
What are we gonna do?
We got away. What time did we get away this morning? Maybe 10.
9?
So, and we expecting a 6-hour drive, but then I stuffed up and we wasted an hour before we even left New Orleans. The road, the I-10 is absolutely disgusting condition. A lot of it is concrete and it's just a and big bumps and big bangs. So I wouldn't be surprised if we got damage back in there. Very different to Florida. Hey, Florida had great roads. This is RV life. Roll with the punches. Good morning. Wow. So buggered. We got into the park last night after an extraordinary day of driving. Normally our travel days have been uneventful, except for only one time I can think where we had to, like, emergency braking. Yesterday was a long day of lots of drama. I guess it all started with waking up and it was raining. So we were delayed. We had a 6-hour drive, but so we got away by 10. We thought that would be fine. But it all started, I guess, the first thing was we forgot the rubbish. It was sitting in the back of the truck, the rubbish bag, and it was flapping in the wind and threatening to spill everywhere. So what did we do? At some lights in the middle of New Orleans, I jumped out of the car, ran around and got it and put it inside the cab, so it couldn't blow away. So that went well. Managed to get back in the car just as the light turned green. That went well. The next error was I took the wrong turn. I saw the I-10 sign and I followed it, and it turned out to be heading east, not west.
And then the road is so bumpy.
Oh, the I-10 is ridiculously bumpy. I'm surprised we don't have more damage in here. It was a bit of a mess. Things, even in the closets, were all falling out. But we got one mysterious broken handle. I don't know where the rest of it is. It looks like a coffee cup. I don't know where the rest of it is. So then we struck traffic again, like about 10 miles from here. And it was standstill. We could see flashing lights miles ahead. There must have been an accident. And there happened to be an exit right there, and some people were taking it. We checked Google, and Google said, nope, you're on the fastest route. And I said, fuck it, I'm taking it. And we took it and bypassed all the traffic and then came out onto the highway just in front of the accident. It was perfect.
Yeah.
It was perfect. So we saved an hour easily, but it was pitch black by now. So anyway, we arrive at the campground here. Thankfully, the gate was open. It was only 7:30 or something, but there is a gate, and they do shut it at night time. We thankfully got in, no staff. Found our campsite real fast, but it was back in, and it was facing the opposite direction. So I had to go somewhere and try and turn around. So I found a campsite, and then a car park on the other side of the road, and proceeded to pull into the campsite, start backing up. It's pitch black. Princess, is calling out stop at the tail end, and I just didn't have enough room, so I had to jigger a few times, and then I thought, yep, I can turn around from here, but I had to go down a bit of a bank off the road, just the front of the truck went down the bank, so the trailer stayed on the road, and then I heard this god-awful sound of braking. I think it sounded like plywood getting torn apart, splintering. So I pulled the truck straight up onto the road and jumped out and had a look. Princess's mouth's open, and we got the torch and we're looking around. I can't see any damage. And one of the other campers, he came up, he said, oh, I think it was the tree above you. It did not sound like a tree to me.
Yeah. I saw the truck and the RV close together, so I really think it's the RV.
Well, I was looking under the, above the bed at the overhang, and I could not see any problem with it, under torchlight. Anyway, we found it. Yeah, we put a hole in the RV. repairable. I think I can probably repair it. Some tape will fix it for now, but yeah, I'll show you. Let's go out and have a look here.
So there's my crush. It's not huge. I think I can repair it. I can just sort of pull that back out with a bit of resin, you know, sand it all back and glue it together. I just hope the frame is okay. I'm not sure where the frame runs, but I think I can make it look a bit better than that. Won't be perfect, but it'll be better than that. But that was the crushing sound, breaking, ripping, fibrous sound.
Now he's so strong.
The bed's fine. No, he's not strong. Yeah, look, he's crumbs. Yep. So it was Mr. Toolbox here, punching holes. So this was a bit of it was my fault. I went off the road. Oh look, so you can see there. Look, that's the sort of edge that I took the front of the truck down. The rear wheel stayed on the road, but that was too much of an angle for the hitches, yeah. But I do have a little solution. It's not going to help much, but you can see I've got an extra hole. I can raise this hitch one more hole. It'll be about that much higher. Can't hurt, yeah? I'm in the middle adjustment. I could go lower and I could go higher, so I will definitely go higher. And it'll be a quick job, 20 minutes, I think. So I'm going to raise the hitch. It'll come up about that much higher and help clear the bed. Just got to be careful not to be too high, you know, for trailering. We don't want the trailer to be nose high, but I think it'll be fine. So I've already unlocked the head here. Just going to take it off. Loosen 4 bolts, that's it. Raise it.
So the hitch now is at the top of its adjustment. I reckon that's 8 inches easily there. And this is what I did in the first place actually. I had it on the highest adjustment, but our neighbour, who's an experienced RVer, he said, nah, it's too high, bring it down to the middle. But now I know why I want it high. So yeah, here's the damage we did the other night. That got punctured by that. So now we've raised it probably that much, 1.5 inches, I think it is. And it looks better, but I mean, you just don't want the trailer towing nose high, you know, but I don't think it is. I think we're fine. I think we're ready to go. Let's go.
Now turn left.
Blown a tire.
Oh my god, it's going down.
We're going slowly, there's no big drama. Just gonna have to pull over here.
What?
Big screw.
Big screw? Oh my god.
You don't really practice changing tires. You just do it when it happens, you know. So I haven't run through the procedure fully. Done it in my brain.